Show us your crime plan. Opposition senator calls on government to tell the nation how it plans to deal with the runaway murder. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News, and a special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, man who confesses to killing his pregnant girlfriend offered bail.
2 Canadians die in motor vehicle crash.
New study shows Jamaicans abandoning tertiary education because of costs.
UWI backtracks on plan to demolish more traditional halls.
And in the financial report, manufacturers balk at cost of exporting.
There's also international stories, bite of the week, sports commentary, and weather in the newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
What is your reaction to the costs students must pay to live on new halls being built for the University of the West Indies?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.